Ngokwamavoti angu-318 amalungu ephalamende awemukele umbiko othi uMkhwebane akakulungele ukuba kulesikhundla, kwathi angu-43 awuchitha, kanti-ke uyedwa onqume ungavoti.
The question is agreed to, and Advocate B. Mkhwebane is accordingly removed from the office of the Public Protector.
ANC, IFP ne-DA bawemukele lo mbiko.
All along we felt that the process was more than fair in that a number of opportunities were given to Advocate Mkhwebane.
The Public Protector of the name of Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane is not fit to hold office.
I-EFF kanye ne-ATM bathele luhlelo belingenabo ubulungiswa.
We therefore reject the report and we reject the political witch hunt initiated by the DA and supported by the ANC alliance to punish Advocate Mkhwebane in order to protect Mr. Ramaphosa.
There has been a lot of contradictions, inconsistencies, and a flawed process. Therefore, the legal challenge will definitely support it as ATM.
Lamaqembu angahambisani nalombiko athe azowuphosela inselelo enkantolo.